D.A. Davidson's Tom Forte has a buy rating and a price target of $167. Joins us now. Hey, Tom.
Hi.
So a lot of what seems to be going on with Apple in this latest move lower is, well, I guess a few things. One being it's just surrendering some of that big safe haven premium that seemed to build up into the stock as the rest of the NASDAQ fell away. And then some concerns about the earnings trajectory for the current fiscal year with what's happening in terms of iPhone production, perhaps. Where does it leave it situated in your mind in terms of the valuation and whether, in fact, it's going to kick back into growth mode?
Sure. So if I could be very optimistic on Apple, the argument would be that they're not losing sales. December quarter sales are simply being moved into the March quarter on China's supply chain related challenges. And what has been a very significant headwind, meaning exchange rates, starting to see some improvement there. They're looking for a 10 percentage point hit to December revenue growth because of unfavorable exchange rates. So I'd say that's kind of the most positive you could look at Apple. But I do agree that it's come back on China-related risks, and it's less of a safe haven relative to its other big tech rivals.
Okay, and at this point, though, I mean, if I'm looking at how Apple's situated as an investment proposition relative to the recent past, it's at the exact same valuation relative to the S&P as the average of the last 5 years, like 1.1, 1.2 times. The dividend yield is about half of the longer-term average. You know, it just seems as if there are fewer things to grab for when it comes to saying that there's a little bit of a cushion in the valuation at this price relative to other times when the stock's been down big.
The good news, though, I would argue, Mike, is that it's not priced for perfection. We're not waiting for either a virtual reality, augmented reality headset from Apple or a significant entry into electronic vehicles to push valuation from here. It's more about, can they deliver on their promise of iPhone sales over the course of the fiscal year, and then the stock could be more than okay.